Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about my new library to help to create design automation applications. Yeah, and to fix some issues that I'm having with design automation for Revit. So here's the library, is already in my NuGet, so you can use that whatever you want. But basically fix two main issues that I'm having with design automation. That is design automation for some reason ignore the package contents DOL. It should have multiple versions. Design automation gets the first one, the first adding in that configuration, and does not select the correct version if you have multiple version. Anyway, with this fix that issue or load the correct one, and make sure that I load the correct version, like if you have a version 21 and 25, it's two different frameworks. You can have different libraries anyway, and this make sure that load the correct one. So, and the second issue that I'm fixing with this is the activity adding ID. By default, in the design automation read event, that is null. You can check in the issue that I'll have a lot of information. But and with this library I did some workaround and make sure that I'm executing the design automation read event with the correct activity adding ID, or the same that you register in design automation. So yeah, let's fix that issue as well. And to use that, you basically use the class design application that have a interface external DB application, and have this interface to the execute. That's basically the same thing that design automation does. So you can put your code in here and gonna execute when Revit for design automation is ready. So that's basically what you do. And you can do something like this as well with one class in here with the interface design automation. And you can add the startup or shutdown to overwrite that and do some stuff in that moment in your application. And you have other properties like the controller application that can add some event or something if you require that class, yes. And you have three main properties or configurations you can disable. By default, everything is enable, but you can disable the log. By default is enable, and you can show what the design application is doing behind the scene and have a more understanding what is happening if some issue happens. You can disable that. And the second one is the design application loader. That's what does the trickery to load the correct adding depending of the configuration for the package content to load the correct version. And you can disable that if you want. And another one is the external service. That's what I'm doing to make sure that design automation read event runs with the correct activity adding ID. So you can disable that as well, but everything is true by default. Yeah, that's it for this library. You can take a look what is the example does. Basically it's nothing, but if you're looking here, I'm having this one. I'm forcing to enable the log, but I have this is what this sample is doing, just creating the file, the JSON file to return that and make sure that the library is working. Yeah, that's what this is doing. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna update after that this project, that what I'm testing, how design automation works anyway, and find interesting stuff about that. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel, and see ya. Bye.